Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 17th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is down $3.75. That's 2.01%, closed at 183.17. Post market, we are up by 53 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So since these past couple of days, so Tesla has just been down. This is not really a double resistance. This is really a different channel. We came out of it on Tuesday and we have been down ever since. So right now we are just a little bit above our support at 181.84. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. We got stochastic over 60 right here, and then pretty much we kept it and entered the channel, and then we came out of the channel right here. This was not really the time to sell because when we are getting outside of a channel, we should at least consider a horizontal resistance, because this is what the stock can do. It can enter into a congestion zone. So basically, this was a nice spot right here at 194.44. It maintained itself a little bit here, but then boom, we lost stochastic and then the stock continued down. We have lost the small bull trend on the 1 hour chart. Right now, we are just right on support. We seem to have been stopped by this support. Let's go back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, let's look at our indicators. Stochastic is not over 60. So this is very important, and it has not been over 60 since this point here. In fact, we lost stochastic over 60 right here. Wasn't that a great signal? Lost stochastic over 60, and look at the stock. This is what it did. So stochastic 10, RSI at 33 instead of 50. MACD is also broken over bearish, and DMI is also bearish. So everything is bearish for Tesla. Things have not been doing great for Tesla because a year ago we were at $400 post split. Tesla has lost over 50% of its value. So that's very big. So let's see what the rest of the week has in store for us. But basically, because we have this congestion right here, it's possible that we start doing something like this. We could be going this because we seem to have a small congestion zone right here. And we could also be doing this, or we could be doing both of them and doing something like this. For the covered calls sellers, we have important resistance right here at 229.77. If you want to sell a little bit outside, I would sell outside of it. So you can decide at what point, but at least outside of 229.77. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.